Look at that. That's not haze, my friends. That's smoke. Smoke from Canada. All the way down here. That's kind of rare. So I'm about just below the Wisconsin border. Matter of fact, I'm so close. If there's a one-eyed cat in a tree, I could probably hit him with a slingshot. And all this smoke from Canada is coming down. I don't think I've seen that around here in my lifetime. But I know it's smoke. The reason why I know that is because I can smell it. Pretty weird, huh? Stay inside. Keep your windows shut. See you next time.